Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a black sheet and spread the fruit foam net on it like this. Now using the cotton buds we will make the house. Stick the leaves to make the tree. Now using the white sheet we will make a snowman. Color it using the red color. Make its hands. Draw a moon. Decorate it and it's done. Next, take a blue and the white sheet, paste them. Now using the water bottle caps, we will make the small children's enjoying in the snow. Make their legs and hands, make their hairs. Now make the muffler using the clay like this. Fold it and put it over the bottle caps and your painting is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a plastic sheet like this, tie a knot on it like this. Now turn it inside out. Now blow the air inside it little bit. Now we will take red color, put it on the plastic like this. Take a white sheet and press the plastic on it like this. So here we are making the beautiful flowers. Now using the green pen we will draw the stems and leaves. Now using the yellow color, put it between the flowers like this. Now using a black color pen we will draw a small ant near the flower like this. After completing it, our painting is done. I hope you liked it. Next, draw the line on the white sheet, apply the glue like this. Now paste the seeds on it like this one by one. So here we are making a mama hen and her cute chicks. So draw its legs, stick its beak. Now using the empty peanut shell we will make these small chicks. Draw their legs and mouth and your beautiful painting is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a round sheet and paste the leaves around it like this. Now take a white color sheet and press it like this from the between. Now take a red color sheet and make the wings of the bird. So here we are making a ladybird. Now paste it on the white sheet like this. Draw the designs on its wings and paste it on the white sheet shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take a pen and draw the circle on the white sheet and cut it out. Now stick some leaves on it like this. Now using the empty walnut shell, we will color it and paste it on the white sheet. So here we are making the ladybirds. Paste it, make its head, make its antenna, legs, and your beautiful painting is ready. Next, we will take a leaf of this color and draw the lines on it and cut it out. So here we are making a lady. Draw her head, make her hands. Now using the leaf, we will make her hat, put it on her head like this. Now draw the water droplets around it. Now shade the colors. Now we will make the mountains, draw the lines, make the houses around her, color it. Now make the tree on her right side like this. Color it, make some leaves on it. First give the shades of the branches. Using the orange color, we will make the leaves on it like this. Then give the shades on the houses and your painting is ready. Thanks for watching.